Today we are going to talk about return measures using standard deviation and normal distribution. At the end of the lesson, we will learn importance of standard deviation and normal distributions and how to measure that for a given investment. Standard deviation is a measure of how much an investment's returns can vary from its average return. It is a measure of volatility and risk. The smaller an investment standard deviation means that the investment is less volatile or with low risk. On the other hand, the returns with higher standard deviation indicates that investments are more volatile or risky. Here we are going to measure and compare two investments, the asset A and asset B. Based on probability, the expected return of asset A is 15.62% and asset B is 15.72%. That comes from the rate of return multiplied with probability of return and then sum of the expected rate of return from the period of 5 years. The formula of standard deviation present by Greek small letter sigma. Sigma equals to square root of rate of return minus expected rate of return multiplied by probability of return. Here asset B provide a higher standard deviation is 10.98%, then standard deviation of asset A is 7.94%. Means that asset B is more volatile and riskier than asset A. The theory of normal distribution supposes that in the long run, the return of investment will fall somewhere on an inverted bell-shaped curve. In a normal distribution curve, mean or average stay in the center of the curve, that is, on zero line. In general, a mean refers to the average for the most of common return in the investment portfolio. This means that most of the observed returns is clustered near the mean, while the return becomes less frequent stays farther away from the mean. In a normal distribution curve, 68% of return fall within one standard deviation, 95% of return fall within two standard deviation, and 99% return within fall in a 3 standard deviation. Based on our analysis from the investment A, that the upper value of rate of return is 34% and the lower value of rate of return is minus 5%, that fall into 3 standard deviation with a dispersion of 98.5%. Thank you.